bearing with us. We are about to start this program, which would be very informative, I guess, and will be very entertaining as well. So, thank you for coming, thank you for joining, thank you for contributing. And here we have the Latin legend of the country, Mr. Monozik Datto.
First of all, thank you very much. Thanks to all of you. And we are here to experience something special. I would like to share this happy moment with all of you. And we are going to talk about, what goes on in music, the depths of music. And we are going to do it in front of you. And those who are playing today here, we have not rehearsed really anything, just one or two run through. And we are going to keep it very realistic in front of you, and we are going to work out things, and we are going to share information. And it's such a pleasure to get into the depth of art, rather than just sitting and getting entertained. That is all right, that's very good, but we also should have the opportunity to know the depths and beauty. So when we do that, and when I had the opportunity, whenever I have this opportunity in my life, I constantly enjoy how things work out in depths of art and in any field. So thanks again. And I would like to start with certain, spontaneously, we'll see it'll go rolling and it'll start developing. So I would like to call Tonmoy and Hole, and see the first piece that we did about Tumbao and Shoujo. Please come and we will see some of that thing, and we will start from there. Now we are going to share some wonderful information of this music. There is this term called the tumbao in this music. It's called tumbao. That's mainly played by many musicians in Latin form. And tumbao is a concept in Latin music. So the tumbao would go like this for the conga player. It would go like this. That is tumbao in the conga. So in Latin music, everyone knows what tumbao is. So the tumbao is also played by the piano player. And one of the tumbaos, there are many kinds of tumbaos. One of the tumbao is Shoujo is going to play. Please play it, yeah. Wonderful. Priyanka, may I have you on stage, please? And see, all these things are based on clave. I don't know how many of you have heard about clave. This unique instrument, clave, is which is the key of Latin music. So, you see, key means that is like a regulator. Everything is tuned to the clave. And please, will you please show the instrument to them, please? This is the clave. And this wonderful instrument practically guides the entire music. So clave means is the key or chord for Latin music. So I will request her to play first the 2-3 clave, and then we will see the relation, how it works. So kindly play. That's it. Wonderful. Now you see this. If you play slightly away from the mic, because that's set for the vocals, can't be changed. Okay, that's fantastic. So this 2-3 clave and the tumbao that is played on the piano, and you'll see how they go together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 'Okay? Yeah. So I played tumbao here, Sergio played tumbao on piano, and Priyanka played 2-3 clave. And then in bongo, you have this thing, the unit that is called the martillo. So Bihu will play the martillo. Please play the martillo for us. 1, 2, 3, 4. Two, three, four, 1. So that's martillo or bongo. That's another very familiar term in Latin music. And this wonderful instrument that you see here to my right is called the timbale. And timbale has either cascara or paila. And that is also based on 2-3 clave. So please play your paila part for this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Wonderful. Okay. Now we will also talk about another montuno part that the guitar is playing. There are 2 melody instruments, and the montuno part will be slightly different from the piano montuno part, so they balance each other. Lovely. That's it. And then there's another part which is going to play on the recorder when we progress on this. That's that's called the monia part. Anyway, that's when you get into the depths of this music, you begin to understand gradually. And on bass guitar, he'll be playing another tumbao. It's also played on bass guitar. It's called also tumbao. So his tumbao part will be. Wonderful. Now we put these parts together. Remember, all these parts attribute and respect to the clave. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. style that we play here is this style is called the song style, and the song. One, two, three, four, five. One, two, three, four, five. One, two, three, four. Da 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 da. Yeah.